NS-200 series Unmanaged Ethernet switches from ICP USA. For connecting and exchanging data among various automation devices in industrial fields, ICP USA provides a variety of different communication products to support widely used industrial communication protocols and interfaces. In this video, we will discuss ICP USA's large selection of industrial unmanaged Ethernet switches in both metal and plastic cases. These switches offer users cost-effective solutions for implementing industrial control and data acquisition over a local area network. The NS-200 is a compact, robust, and durable 5-port industrial Ethernet switch. It has 5 Ethernet switching ports and is very easy to use with plug-and-play. Through its 5 ports, it can connect with 5 workstations and automatically switch the transmission speed for corresponding connections. The flow control mechanism is also negotiated. There is activity, link, data rate, LED indicators for each port, which makes it easy to troubleshoot. Port connectors are shielded RJ45. It contains soft start function with overload protection and high-low voltage protection. The NS-200 is an 8-port industrial unmanaged Ethernet switch, offering fast, easy to use, and reliable LAN dispersion. The NS-200 is ideal in almost any setting. It features an MDI-X function for plug-and-play easy use. It can connect 8 workstations and automatically switches the transmission speed for connections. The NS-200 PSE is an 8-port unmanaged PoE Power over Ethernet industrial Ethernet switch. It supports 8 PoE ports, which are classified as Power Source Equipment, or PSE. It makes centralized power supply come true and provides up to 15.4 watts of power per port. To learn more about our unmanaged Ethernet switches, visit our website at www.icp-usa.com.